Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to get the best Bolt Food discount promo codes in 2025 so you can save money every time you order your favorite meals. Whether you are a new user or a regular customer, these tips will help you get the biggest savings with Bolt Food. Let's get started. So if you are a new user, Bolt Food often gives a welcome promo code. Here you can see this, the food we love delivered first, and scroll down, and here you can see this products and company supports. So you can Bolt Food here. Download the Bolt Food apps from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up with a new email or phone number. At checkout, use the first time promo code like hello, welcome, or regions specific codes like Bangladesh or UK, America. Note this change often, so always check the app's homepage on your email after signing up. The usually show the code right there. Then go to the check promo codes or coupon websites. There you can see this. So 45 61% up to 61% off, and for food here you can see this selected. Now we have to go to the foods. Here you can another promo codes websites. You tell me here you can see the food or coupons big with pizza get deals. Show coupon codes within. Here is McDonald's, McBurger. You can get 50% off on your first 3 orders. And then you can click the coupon codes. Show here is the now get 50% of show coupon codes, and here you can see this copy the coupon codes and go to the Bolt Food apps or promo codes in July. Bolt Food discount code on your country, and make sure you have to check if the code is valid for your region, the expiry date, and if it's for new or existing users. So want free food, use a friend's referral code when sign up. Where's how? So ask a friend who use Bolt Food for their referral code, enter it during sign up. You will both get a discount, usually 100 to 200 off your next door order. You can also share your own code later to earn more rewards, and look for in-app promotion for banners. And to open the apps, look at the top banners or top on the promotion or offers tab, and you will see discount like free delivery, 20 to 50% off select restaurants, and buy one get one offers. These are often automatically applied, no code needed. And Bolt Food shares exclusive promo codes on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Follow your country official Bolt Food page, and they post holiday deals, flash discount, and local food events, sometimes with surprise promo codes. And that's how to get the best Bolt Food discount promo codes in 2025. Easy and tasty savings. Quick. If you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.